Welcome back, Jenny here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Instant Author's powerful meta prompt personal battle-tested pre-prompt generator. This tool will help you create experience-based pre-prompts that challenge mainstream advice and provide you with more authentic and experimental results when working with AI. First, navigate to the prompt library page on Instant Author. Once you're there, find the pre-prompt generator, prompt, and click the Copy Prompt button to copy the text. Next, head over to any AI tool you're using. For this example, we'll be using Grok. Open Grok and paste the pre-prompt you just copied. After pasting the prompt, hit Send, and Grok will ask you for the topic you need this pre-prompt for. Here, let's type in our desired topic. For this example, we'll use Creating Vegetable Garden. Now, just sit back and wait for Grok to generate your personalized pre-prompt. This pre-prompt will be customized based on the topic you've provided, drawing from real experiences, challenges, and unconventional tactics. Once the pre-prompt is generated, click the copy icon to copy the pre-prompt text. Open Notepad or any text editor, paste the pre-prompt, and save it to your computer. Now you've got a battle-tested pre-prompt ready to use for all your future book projects. And that's how you can create a personalized, experience-based pre-prompt using Instant Author's meta prompt personal battle-tested pre-prompt generator. This tool will take your AI-generated content to the next level by using real-world tactics that challenge traditional advice. Now you're ready to create more authentic, useful, and experimental content for your books. In the next video, we'll explore how to use these pre-prompts to generate your future books and improve your writing process even further. Stay tuned.